Hey skaters, I have a fun one I think for you guys today. It's a little roller dance move, a three move sequence where there's 3 different movements. The first one in dance, I think they call it a kickball change. And so it's going to be a kickball change to a 360 to a crab walk. Very technical, but I think you guys can do it. It's not really that difficult. Beginner friendly, so we'll see. So let's check it out. I'll break it down, see if you guys can figure this out. Let's have some fun with this, all right? So the first one is a kickball change. In this case, I'm going to be kicking with my right foot first. So I'm basically most of my weight's on my left foot, and I pick up and just kick. And as I kick and bring the foot back underneath me, that's when you're going to step out with the other foot, or in this case, the left foot, right? So you kick, I almost fell, and out, right? So you kick and step out. Okay. Kick and step out. Just do that. Kick and step out. Okay, and then once you're stepped out here, you're just basically going to kick and do the same thing the other way. So you're going to kick and step out the other way. All right? So just do those 2 in a row. 1, back and forth. Ready? Kick, out, kick, out. That's it. Ready? Kick, out, kick, out.
All right.
Okay, so then after, you like that? So then after that second one, you're in this position, what we're going to do is we're going to do a 360. So in this case, I'm going to step behind with my foot and spin around like that 1 time.
Oh.
Is that smooth or kind of?
Pretty good.
So we do 1 360.
All right.
All right, so it's a kick, out, step behind, 360.
Oh, yeah, okay. I see.
So just do those in a row. So step out, then you know, step behind.
Yeah.
360, 1 time. So after you do that 360, we're going to crab walk with 1 foot, 1 way and 1 the other. So you complete the 360, you're back to this position. So in this case, you're going to crab walk out, crab walk in with 1 foot, crab walk out, crab walk in, and that's it. All right, so practice that. There are, we'll put links to other videos. I have tutorials on, I think Jazz does too, on how to do the crab walk and how to do 360s. So we'll put those down below. So again, after you complete the 360, you're going to crab walk with this foot out and then back in. And then out, 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 out. And that's it. So linking the 3 together, it looks a little bit like this. All right, so you're going to kick, step back, right? So
and it brings you back to the position to start the whole thing again, right?
Or you can do something different. But
but you can keep
just keep
going to music that you like.
Yeah, and it's fun to do the crab walk the 1 way after you complete one of the 360s. It's kind of fun. The way it's hard to describe how it feels, but when you're coming around like this, your momentum is bringing you around, and then when you crab walk out, it kind of just feels fun. Once you guys try it, you'll see what I'm saying. So again, we'll link the 3 together. So kick, out, step behind, crab walk, and back to square 1. So that's pretty much it, you guys. So of course it's going to look better to music and all that stuff, but I just wanted to break down the 3 movements so you guys could understand them, and hopefully you did. So, and if you have any questions, of course, put them down there below. If you have any other ideas for us, we like the challenge of other ideas for videos. It's always hard to do that. So, but anyway, I hope you guys found this video fun, and you figured it out, and you can unlock this 3 movement because it's fun. The more moves you got, it's cooler, and also you start to forget moves too the more you learn. But anyway, I hope you found the video fun and helpful and useful. So thanks for checking it out. I appreciate it. And hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, we'll have a nice video for next time. Next time is Jasmine's turn. So until then, skaters, see you guys. Have a great day. See you.